SAP TM Transportation Management Online Training. Learn and improve your skill with Proexcellency. Introduction. What is SAP TM? SAP TM stands for SAP Transportation Management. It is an integrated software solution provided by SAP AG that facilitates efficient transportation planning, execution, and monitoring for companies involved in logistics and supply chain management. SAP TM helps businesses optimize their transportation processes, reduce costs, improve delivery reliability, and enhance customer service. Key features and benefits. Key features of SAP trademark include transportation planning and optimization, optimizing routes, carriers, and schedules for efficient transportation. Order management, creating and processing freight orders, and consolidating them for better planning. Freight unit planning, creating and optimizing freight units for transportation efficiency. Freight tendering and collaboration, managing the process of requesting quotations, selecting carriers, and collaborating with them. Shipment tracking and event management, monitoring and managing shipments in real time. Transportation analytics and reporting, providing insights into transportation performance and KPIs. Benefits of using SAP trademark. Reduced transportation costs, optimized planning and execution result in cost savings. Enhanced visibility and control, real-time monitoring and tracking of shipments for better control. Improved customer service, accurate and timely deliveries lead to better customer satisfaction. Streamlined processes, automation and integration improve operational efficiency. Compliance and risk management, ensuring adherence to regulations and mitigating transportation-related risks. Understanding transportation management processes. Transportation management processes involve various steps, including order creation, receiving transportation requests from customers or internal systems. Transportation planning, optimizing routes, loads, and schedules for cost-effective and timely delivery. Freight unit building, grouping shipments into freight units to maximize resource utilization. Carrier selection, selecting suitable carriers based on criteria such as cost and performance. Shipment execution, executing the transportation plan and monitoring shipments in real time. Freight settlement, managing billing and invoicing processes with carriers and vendors. SAP TM System Overview. Navigating the SAP TM interface. The SAP TM interface provides a user-friendly environment with various modules and functionalities. Users can access different screens and options through menus and buttons. System architecture and components. SAP TM is part of the SAP Supply Chain Management (SCM) suite and can integrate with other SAP modules and third-party systems. It comprises several components, including the Transportation Management (TM) module, Event Management (M), and Global Trade Services (GTS). Integration with other SAP modules. SAP TM can integrate with other SAP modules like SAP ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, and SAP SCM, Supply Chain Management. The integration enables seamless data flow and provides end-to-end visibility and control over the transportation process. Master data setup. Creating transportation lanes and zones. Transportation lanes are predefined routes between specific origins and destinations. In SAP TM, you can create transportation lanes to represent common shipping routes. Transportation zones, on the other hand, are geographical areas used for grouping locations based on proximity or specific characteristics. Setting up transportation lanes and zones helps in efficient transportation planning and optimization. Carrier and Transportation Resource Master Data. In SAP TM, the Carrier Master Data includes information about transportation service providers, such as their contact details, capabilities, and preferences. Transportation resources encompass vehicles, trailers, containers, or any equipment used for transportation. Creating and maintaining Carrier and Transportation Resource Master Data ensures accurate and effective carrier selection and resource planning. Vehicle and Equipment Master Data. Vehicle and Equipment Master Data include details about individual transportation resources, such as vehicle registration numbers, dimensions, capacities, and maintenance information. Maintaining this data is crucial for load planning, scheduling, and ensuring that the appropriate resources are assigned to the right tasks. Order management. Creating and processing freight orders. Freight orders represent specific transportation requests received from customers or internal systems. In SAP Trademark, you can create freight orders manually or automatically from sales orders or delivery requests. Processing freight orders involves assigning suitable carriers, planning routes, and initiating transportation execution. Order-based transportation planning. Order-based transportation planning involves consolidating multiple freight orders into efficient shipments or freight units. The goal is to optimize resource utilization and minimize transportation costs while meeting delivery requirements. Freight unit building and consolidation. Freight unit building is the process of combining individual shipments or items into larger units, such as pallets or containers, to streamline the transportation process. Freight unit consolidation involves grouping multiple freight units together to create full loads and minimize empty space during transportation. Transportation planning. Freight unit planning and optimization. Freight unit planning and optimization focus on building optimal loads by considering various factors like weight, volume, and compatibility constraints. SAP TM's optimization capabilities help find the most efficient combinations of shipments for transportation. Scheduling and route determination. Scheduling involves setting up transportation plans based on available resources and delivery timeframes. Route determination determines the best routes for shipments, considering factors like distance, travel time, and transportation mode. Load planning and optimization. Load planning and optimization ensure that the available transportation resources are efficiently utilized by planning the loading and unloading sequences for each stop along the transportation route. Freight tendering and collaboration. Request for quotation, RFQ, process. The RFQ process involves requesting quotations from carriers for specific transportation services. SAP Trademark facilitates the RFQ process, including sending RFQs to carriers, receiving and evaluating bids, and selecting the best carrier based on predefined criteria. Carrier selection and bidding. In SAP Trademark, carriers can submit bids in response to RFQs, and the transportation planner can evaluate these bids based on factors like cost, capacity, and performance history to make the best carrier selection. Freight Collaboration Portal. The Freight Collaboration Portal provides a platform for communication and collaboration between shippers and carriers. It enables real-time status updates, document sharing, and resolving transportation-related issues. Execution and monitoring. Transportation execution monitoring. SAP Trademark allows real-time monitoring of transportation execution to ensure that shipments are progressing as planned and to address any deviations or issues promptly. Shipment tracking and event management. Tracking and event management in SAP Trademark involve monitoring the movement of shipments and capturing events, such as pickup, delivery, or delays, to provide stakeholders with up-to-date visibility. Freight settlement and invoicing. The freight settlement process in SAP Trademark includes validating carrier charges against agreed-upon rates and processing invoices for accurate and timely payment. Transportation analytics and reporting. Overview of SAP Trademark Analytics. SAP Trademark provides various built-in analytics and reporting tools to gain insights into transportation performance and identify areas for improvement. Creating custom reports. In addition to standard reports, SAP Trademark allows users to create custom reports tailored to specific business requirements. KPIs and performance measurement. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are used to measure and evaluate transportation performance. SAP Trademark enables the tracking and analysis of KPIs to monitor the effectiveness of transportation operations. Advanced features and customization. Freight charge management. Freight charge management involves managing complex transportation charges, such as fuel surcharges, tolls, and accessorial fees, to ensure accurate cost calculation. Dangerous goods management. SAP Trademark includes features for handling and managing shipments containing hazardous or dangerous goods in compliance with relevant regulations. Integration with transportation service providers, TSPs. Integrating SAP Trademark with transportation service providers' systems enables seamless data exchange and collaboration between parties involved in transportation. SAP Trademark Implementation Best Practices. Project Planning and Execution. Best practices for SAP Trademark implementation include thorough project planning, defining objectives, setting timelines, and allocating resources. Data migration strategies. Careful data migration strategies ensure a smooth transition from legacy systems to SAP Trademark, preserving data integrity and accuracy. Change management and user training. Successful SAP Trademark implementation involves effective change management strategies and comprehensive user training to ensure adoption and proficiency with the new system. Tips for successful SAP Trademark integration. Integrating SAP Trademark with ERP and SCM systems. Integrating SAP Trademark with other SAP modules, such as ERP and SCM systems, is crucial for end-to-end visibility and data consistency across the supply chain. Ensuring data consistency and accuracy. Data consistency and accuracy are essential to avoid discrepancies and errors in transportation planning and execution. Addressing common integration challenges. Common challenges during integration should be addressed proactively to ensure a smooth implementation and operation of the SAP Trademark system. SAP Trademark Future Trends and Innovations. Industry 4.0 and IoT in Transportation Management. Emerging technologies like Industry 4.0 and the Internet of Things, IoT, are expected to revolutionize transportation management with increased automation, real-time tracking, and predictive analytics. Predictive analytics and artificial intelligence, AI integration. Predictive analytics and AI integration in SAP Trademark can enhance decision-making, optimize transportation routes, and proactively address potential disruptions. Cloud-based solutions and mobility advancements. Cloud-based solutions and mobile applications will make transportation management more accessible and flexible, allowing stakeholders to access information from anywhere. SAP Trademark Certification Preparation. Overview of SAP Trademark Certification. An overview of SAP Trademark Certification, its benefits, and the topics covered in the certification exam. Tips for exam success. Useful tips and strategies to prepare effectively and pass the SAP Trademark Certification exam. Practice exercises and mock tests. Practice exercises and mock tests to test and improve your understanding of SAP trademark concepts. Conclusion. Recapitulation of key learnings. A summary of the key concepts and topics covered throughout the guide. Empowering efficient transportation management with SAP trademark. The importance of SAP trademark in empowering organizations to achieve efficient and cost-effective transportation management. Why choose Proexcellency for SAP Transportation Management online training? There are many reasons why you should choose Proexcellency for SAP Transportation Management online training. Here are some of the most important. Expert instructors. Proexcellency's instructors are all experienced SAP transportation management professionals with years of experience in the field. They are passionate about teaching and have a deep understanding of the material. Up-to-date curriculum. Proexcellency's curriculum is constantly updated to reflect the latest trends in SAP transportation management. This ensures that you are learning the latest techniques and best practices. Flexible learning options. Proexcellency offers a variety of learning options, including self-paced online courses, live online classes, and instructor-led training. This allows you to choose the option that best suits your needs and learning style. Supportive community. Proexcellency's online community provides a forum for students to ask questions, share ideas, and collaborate on projects. This is a great way to get help from other students and SAP transportation management professionals. Accreditation. Proexcellency's SAP transportation management courses are accredited by the SAP Education Alliance. This means that you can be confident that the courses meet the highest standards of quality. If you are looking for a comprehensive and up-to-date SAP transportation management training program, then Proexcellency is the perfect choice for you. With experienced instructors, flexible learning options, and a supportive community, you will be well prepared to take on the challenges of SAP transportation management. Thanks for watching. Connect with us. +9 18722079509 vertical bar +9 190089068809 www.proexcellency.com